kìa.
Nào chưa?
Sao em mà
Nào chưa?
em mà pretty.
Mà phía đi. Đưa bố mày ra cái. Đưa bố mày. Chụp cái làm miếng gì? Em ơi, đây em mà ấy rồi. Sao ông bắt quả nó rồi nè, còn nó dở đây, còn cái giữa, ở đây nó giữa đây.
They were telling us earlier not to let the baby anywhere near him. They were like, you gotta keep her locked in this closet. We're doing a full Anne Frank scenario.
What's up, bro? You wanna be in?
See the first vlog.
I'm a little warm up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ada kah? Ada tuh now? Okay.
Đây em làm.
Hey. Pictures there. Hey, tell Grandpa, is mommy pretty?
Mommy pretty?
Is daddy pretty? Is auntie pretty? Is Emma pretty? Everybody's pretty. Uncle Mike, mop. Mop.
Uncle Mike mập.
Uncle Mike pretty?
Yes.
Uncle Mike pretty?
Uncle Mike pretty?
Does everybody love Emma? Everybody loves Emma. Aww. Mom? No mom? No? No mom.
I'm not that sober.
Get the loot. I thought one of the cows took him by now. Somebody's there? Is that cows out there? Cows over there. What do cows say? Moo, moo. You're so funny. You're so funny.
Mình không có lo, không có dữ dằn, nó là như là không có dữ đó con. Bình thường đó, bình thường over there.
Thấy nó lại kìa. Nó tên gì kìa? Nó tên gì kìa? Hả?
He's at the bar. Devin!
Ở thay đồ kìa. Thấy không? Thấy không không?
Không phải, không phải. Không.
No, come here. He shouldn't have even acknowledged you, bro. Don't worry, we're just waiting on you. Devin! Nope.
Jesus.
Rồi xem bà. Nó nhốt xem bà lại rồi. Nó nhốt xem bà lại rồi.
He's behind the girls.
Ờ.
He's behind the girls, but he's not supposed to be in the picture, so somebody should grab him.
Water sucks. Gatorade's better.
Now he's pregnant.
Back up. How far? Back up. Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Does somebody have an ivory key? I'm pretty sure Nick. Tom, I have my key.
Ấy cái đẹp trai chứ bộ. Con đẹp trai. Ngầu.
Let's go.
Careful, I'm wired. I'm the feds. You guys. Hey, say hi to your baby. She's going, Daddy's there, Daddy's there. You wanna come with Daddy? You wanna come with Daddy? Yeah? She's tired. She's literally saying, Emma's sleeping. Emma's sleeping.
Oh, is it nap time already?
She's definitely getting tired. Come here. We gotta get Simba? Oh God, did you poop? Did Emma poop? Wow! Oh, you wanna skip?
Em cầm được sữa mà vậy ta? Mẹ cầm mình sữa này. Nói bây giờ cha con nói kìa, cha có bây giờ nhảy thằng mặt đó mình quá rồi.
Paxton! What's up, buddy?
Nó 2.700 nữa. Có tiền hình. 2.700 nữa cả tiền hình. Em tôi nó vô trong cái xe này hết ha.
Yeah! Chú ăn. Chú ăn đâu, chú ăn.
Để uống miếng nước này hả?
La lên, em mà liền vô cái la lên. Yeah! Yeah!
Đây cầm hai cái đi. Út kìa, mà gì đó kìa. Chị đó kìa.
I'm waiting too.
Tại đây có chứ không chưa đi nữa. Có.
Đang chụp hình đó.
Ổng kìa, ổng sau lưng mẹ kìa.
Nice. Hi. Okay, just letting you know, I'm gonna blow those names out of water. I won't remember, but so you guys come out and help me. Hey. Where at? Nice.
You look nice. Thank you.
I mean, hey, you ever had Chris yet?
I do have my phone in my pocket, but I don't know which one to use.
Is that your phone?
It's in my right pocket.
Dẫn em qua đây nè con.
I have to wait here. Wait right here.
Mình phải coi cái
He's a good cop. Guys, I need you to stand in a line and stop moving around, please.
See, he's being good now. See, there's Emma.
Hey, where's the roses? Oh yeah.
Mẹ, gọi ghế đầu tiên á.
Nó đi nè, nó đi á.
Thảo Hảo lên ngồi với ba mẹ đi.
Nó ẩm lại.
Ba mẹ đi.
Where's Emma?
But why give white one?
I love you. I love you.
Daddy, you can't be that way.
hugs, and secrets. Although we shared a room our whole lives growing up, and we're utterly sick of each other, she's always been my favorite person. Jenny's my best friend. Jenny was an amazing big sister. Early in life, she was a very imaginative child, and she created many stories and scenarios for the both of us that brought so much joy. From playing house, school, cooking, camping, salesman, and playing outside from dusk to dawn at my grandma's house, wreaking havoc on the neighborhood. I loved her. Jenny just gave me the best childhood. I had the best childhood because of Jenny, and I just love seeing her as a mother, giving Emma the same childhood that she gave me, creating a big imagination for this beautiful little girl. I've always had the need to protect Jenny our whole lives. I've always had to have her back at school and throughout her relationships and friendships with people. I've always wanted her to know that I'm always there for her, especially when things got rough. And one day, Eric walked into our lives, and Eric is an amazing, good person, and he truly cares and loves Jenny. From the way he looks at her and always tries to make sure that everything is okay. And I just want to thank Eric because now he and I can work together to protect Jenny. There's no mistaking his love for her. I want to thank Eric and Jenny for allowing me to be as involved as I am in not just Emma's life, but your lives as well. From being there for Emma's birth and taking over Eric's spot. From taking over Emma's spot when I come down for sleepovers, so he sleeps on the couch. She really is amazing, and you two have done such an amazing job raising this smart, funny, and beautiful baby. She really, truly is my world. Both of you are such good people, deserving of each other's love, and an inspiration for us all. I have an incredible sister, and I'm blessed tonight to gain a brother as well. Please raise your glass in a toast. Love is a force that's more impressive than any other because it's invisible. It can't be seen, but it can be transformed in a single moment and will bring you joy more than any material possession ever could. To the bride and groom, cheers, honey!
Something small, take what you need and disappear. Without trace, we'll be gone. Moon and the stars will follow the call. And then when we get to the ocean.
Ladies and gentlemen, your dinner service will now begin. We ask that everyone remain seated until your table is released to go to the buffet. Once again, please do not go to the buffet until your table is released.
There goes my handshake. You are the reason my heart keeps beating. I need you. If I could turn
everyone. Put those hands together, make some noise. Congratulations to that beautiful bride and stellar groom. Please keep that applause going as our mom joins her groom for a very special mother-son dance.
I hope the days come easy and the moments pass slow, and each road leads you where you wanna go. And if you're faced with a choice and you have to choose, I hope you choose the one that means the most to you. And if one door opens to another door closed, I hope you keep on walking till you find a window. If it's cold outside, show the warmth in your smile. More than anything, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes
You don't want to dance, right? Dad, no, he doesn't want to dance because I don't know what. It's too last minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put those hands together. You can tell that is one proud mama right there. Congratulations, Mom. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to help you welcome our bride, our groom, and Emma to the center of the dance floor.
I remember when I first heard your heartbeat. It had only been 8 weeks. Standing there at that screen was the first time you ever scared me. God knows I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but good news, we got her to get through it. I hope you love just like your mama and love her like I do. You'll see close to perfect patience if you watch your every move. You can always run to daddy, you'll always be my baby. But look at her, baby girl, and you'll learn how to be a lady. Just how to be a lady. I can make you laugh till you cry, but she can make your tears dry. When you get your heart broke by the wrong guy, she can make it right. I hope you love just like your mama and love her like I do. You'll see close to perfect patience if you watch your every move. You can always run to daddy, you'll always be my baby. But look at her, baby girl, and you learn how to be a lady. Just how to be a lady.
You all agree with me. That is the cutest, isn't it? Put those hands together. Our bride, our groom, and Emma. And she's so cute. At this time, our bride and groom will take their seats. Bridal party, please take your seats.
Vậy mà sao hồi nãy vợ chồng mới đi dẫn nó lên.
Yeah, look, Emma. Can the kiss? Mwah, you're so beautiful. Daddy gotta go sit right there. Okay? 1 minute. 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, would you please help me welcome?
Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're going to do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's start. Left foot, let's start. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's start. Left foot, let's start. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Get funky. Yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's start. Left foot, let's start. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's start. Left foot, let's start. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go all low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stop? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops, 2 hops. 2 hops, 2 hops. Right foot, let's start. Left foot, let's start. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 3 hops this time.